Hello viewers, I'm your host Kanza Ali. Once again welcome you to my channel Fun and Facts Hub. Today our team finding another fully funded scholarship for bachelor student in Australia. The major discussion point of today's agenda are brief discussion University of British Columbia Fellowships 2020, financial benefits, fellowship topic, eligibility criteria, evaluation procedure, selection procedure, application deadline. How to apply for University of British Columbia fellowships. Kindly watch the video till end, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel and press the bell icon button. Without wasting the time, let us start discussion. Applications are invited to apply for the University of British Columbia Fellowships 2020 in Canada. All domestic and international students are eligible for Smith Science Fellowships. The University of British Columbia is one of the best 100 universities in the entire world to nominate international candidates. UBC Fellowships are looking for the glowing minds in the field of computer, natural sciences, engineering, and mathematics who are interested in expanding their knowledge. The University of British Columbia, Canada, providing Smith Science Fellowships seeking for a new generation of scientific leaders. Its mission to provide a huge platform to the world's best aspiring minds with the ability to contribute to interdisciplinary projects with an effort to leave a lasting impact on the community. Fellows will give a deep understanding of how to advance scientific discovery by attending international workshops and individualized mentoring. University of British Columbia Fellowships 2020 details. University of British Columbia. Duration 1 year. Fellowship coverage $100,000. Eligible nationality domestic and international. Award country Canada. Last date July 2020. Financial benefits. Fellows receive a stipend of $100,000 and are supported by the program to undertake a full-time postdoctoral study for at least 1 year in the world-leading laboratory in a field different from their existing area of expertise. Fellows also spend few weeks during their fellowship year at 4 residential meetings around the globe where they receive bespoke training to help them become the next generation of science leaders. Fellowship topics: computer, natural sciences, engineering, mathematics. Eligibility criteria. The eligibility criteria of the University of British Columbia Fellowships 2020 in Canada is given below. Canadian, permanent resident and international candidate. Candidate must hold a graduate degree in computing, engineering, natural sciences, earth sciences, chemistry, physics, astronomy, biology including neurobiology. Must complete a PhD or expected to be completed between 1st May to 30th June 2020. PhD has to be done from UBC. Must be available for the entire period from the July 2020 to July 2021 including global meetings. Evaluation procedure. Extraordinary achievement. Clear record of academic achievement during their PhD at leading institutions of higher learning. Alignment with the program. Commitment to pursuing a year or more of postdoctoral study in a field different from the topic of study for which the applicant received their PhD. Scientific curiosity. desire to achieve a broad level of exposure to and knowledge in cutting-edge innovations and research across the sciences. Intellectual spark, high degree of intelligence, energy, and intellectual curiosity that will drive future scientific discoveries. Global ambitions, the will to make a lasting impact in the science and society, pursuing knowledge that will benefit the world by engaging in ambitious research and displaying great perseverance and appetite for risk throughout the scientific process. Character, a genuine and demonstrable interest in society and global challenges, combined with a desire to use personal talents and expertise to make a positive difference in the world. Collaborative spirit, demonstrated history of effective collaboration with diverse team members. Use of innovative tools. General interest and comfort in the use and potential of new ways of doing science, such as modern computing and data science techniques. Selection procedure. The Faculty of Graduate and Postdoctoral Study will convene a committee to review the nominations submitted by departments and will nominate up to 9 students to the international competition. Application deadline. Applications for University of British Columbia Fellowships 2020 in Canada are likely to be closed in July 2020. How to apply for University of British Columbia Fellowships? University of British Columbia Fellowships applicants must submit their application material to their graduate program. A complete application will consist of the following: CV of the nominee, including publications, maximum 3 pages. Statement from the nominee, maximum 1 page, addressing the following 2 points. Alignment with the Smith Fellows Program, interesting in pursuing a year or more postdoctoral study in a field different from the topic of study for which the nominee received her doctorate. Collaborative spirit, demonstrated history of effective collaboration with deserved team members. Proposal from the nominee, maximum 2 pages, addressing the following 2 points: potential postdoctoral research direction, brief rationale for up to 3 potential postdoctoral fellowships left. Successful UBC nominees will be invited directly by the Science Fellows Program to submit a full